are termites common in Georgia, and why are termites so common in Georgia?
A lot of people don't know this, but in Georgia, studies do show that there are 8 to 12 colonies per acre consisting mostly of eastern subterranean termites.
So, and these are colonies that would be in the ground that you're talking about when you say 8 to 12 per acre. That's a lot. Wow.
Correct. Yeah. And each colony can house up to 20,000 to 5 million termites per colony.
So is there something about this time of year that makes them swarm? Is it mating season? I mean, like, what's going on? What makes them swarm?
Well, so termites are very tuned into the environment around them, right? So mild temperatures and adequate rainfall create, the perfect environment for them to start swarming. The reason that they swarm is that 5 million termite colony has grown too big. So the swarmers start being created, and then they come out to make a new colony.
In the state of Georgia and all other states, I would assume you can get what's called a termite bond. What is a termite bond?
So a termite bond is a warranty that you put on a property after a treatment has been performed. There's 3 different types, right? So the 2 main ones that you're going to see are the repair and retreat bond. Okay. Which is a bond where the company who puts the treatment on the house will repair any damages. And I'll kind of go off what Northwest does. So we repair any damages occurring 90 days after the initial treatment. Our repair bond covers up to $1 million in damages. There is a small deductible. That is a $250 deductible. And say you pay that and then you have a $10,000 damage claim. Mm-hmm. We will fix those damages and then treat the termites that are on the house. A retreat warranty would only offer a retreat if there were active termites on the house after placing the initial treatment on the home. Reasons for issuing a retreat only would be inaccessible areas like you mentioned, the stunto going below the grade of the home, conducive conditions like earth to wood contact or high moisture.
I'm guessing, anytime you have a home that does not have a termite bond in force, that you're exposed.
In today's market, it's very common to waive inspections. I've seen it over the past couple of years growing. It's one of the things that I actually come in after the fact once the home is purchased and find, things that homeowners didn't know was going on in the home before they purchased it. So getting the inspection done, whether or not you get a general home inspection is important. It offers peace of mind.
So I know you can have a liquid treatment where they put chemicals around the base or the exterior of your home. And I believe there's also bait stations, termite bait stations that they put in the ground, the little green discs. For those of you who are listening that might see them around the house, what's the difference in those 2 types of treatments?
So they're very similar in how they destroy the termite colonies. Okay. But the difference is the mode of treatment. So liquid treatment, it's a little bit more invasive. There's 2 types of liquid treatments. The most invasive one is called a comprehensive. Those are the ones where we're drilling all your slabs, all your brick veneer, and then pumping liquid into the actual ground underneath your slab. That includes trenching and treating. So we have a big gallon tank of termiticide, and we're using that in and around the foundation of the home. The baiting stations are a newer technology. Years ago, it was just sticks of wood in the ground, and we just monitor them, see if there were termites, and if so, we'd use liquid. But the bait has evolved to a product that actually eliminates the colonies on your property. What happens is the termites go up to the baiting stations.
Okay.
They eat it, and then they bring it back to their colony, and they regurgitate that bait to the whole colony, and it kills all the termites.